Hi, I'm Tori from Tyent, and I'd like to introduce you to Tyent's most amazing under-the-counter water ionizer. It's called the Tyent Under-the-Counter Extreme Turbo with Hydrogen Boost, or UCE for short. This amazing water ionizer offers the latest, most cutting-edge technology available in the world. First, let's look at its beautiful design with its one-of-a-kind smartphone touchscreen. It's no wonder it's been featured on E! Channel's million-dollar homes of the future and in expensive homes of famous celebrities and pro athletes across the globe. Setting up your unit is a breeze because the Tyent UCE is the only true water ionizer with no convertible kits to worry about. To get started, it's as easy as touching a button. If you're new to drinking hydrogen-rich alkaline water, then you'll want to start with level 1. Just push the level 1 button right here. Yep, it's that simple. And the super cool thing is that it remembers the last button that you pushed and saves it. So next time you want a glass of delicious Tyent water, you could just push the top button and get your very own water that's personalized just for you. After about 4 weeks of drinking level 1, you'll move up to level 2. And then 4 weeks later, you'll be ready for the amazing benefits of Tyent's ultimate level 3 water with Hydrogen Boost. Tyent's level 3 alkaline water has a 9.5 pH, and it's chock full of molecular hydrogen too. If you're not familiar with the life-changing benefits of molecular hydrogen, then check out all of the clinical studies about it. There's over 500 of them. I totally feel a difference from drinking Tyent water, and that's why I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. The Tyent UCE has bonus levels included too. That's right, see all these buttons at the bottom of the screen? These buttons create acidic water. Let's start with acidic level 1. This button is used to make beauty water, and I use it every day. I've really noticed a difference in how much better my skin and hair look and feel. And people have been complimenting me and asking me what I'm doing differently. My beauty secret is Tyent's Alkaline Level 3 for the inside and Acidic Level 1 for the outside. Now let's move on to Turbo mode. Just push the Turbo button here. Alkaline Turbo will always come out of your top spout, while Acidic Turbo always comes from the bottom spout. I use my Turbo button constantly throughout the day, cleaning nasty herbicides and pesticides off of my fruit and veggies. I really cannot dream of living without this button. It's a real lifesaver. Actually, it's a big money saver too. Because of this, I don't spend 3 times the amount of money on organic produce anymore. And for when you're taking your medicine, eating a meal, or making baby formula, you'll want to use neutral pH water, which is easily produced by pushing this little H2 button right here. Right here at the bottom of your screen, you'll see an F1 and F2 button. These buttons are resetting your filters. See your filter box, user manual, or welcome guide for full details on resetting your filters. Speaking of filters, look how the front of your UCE ionizer opens so that you can quickly and easily change your filters. No more messing around with cords or hard to open panels in the back. Before I go, I just have one more button to show you. See this cute little gear right here? This is the magic button that allows you to have water by design. Just check out your user's manual or welcome guide to see how easy it is to adjust your power settings to your unique source water. With this button, you can also change languages, adjust the volume, or set the time and date. Now that you've seen just a few of the great ways to use your all-new Tyent UCE water ionizer, be sure to order today so that you can start living the life you're supposed to live. After all, what's not to love about drinking water this healthy and that only costs about 6 cents a glass? Tyent is the only company in the world that can say this and back it up with a lifetime guarantee that has 0 stipulations and no fine print. So go on and drink up a delicious glass of fresh Tyent hydrogen-rich alkaline water. Isn't it time that you start feeling great again and having the energy to do what you love with the people you love? It's time to get your very own Tyent UCE ionizer today. The Tyent UCE Under-the-Counter Extreme Water Ionizer with Hydrogen Boost another great product from the engineers at Tyent.